Here's how to play the C, G, and F chord on the piano. I'm going to do it on my right hand first, placing my thumb on C and then all of my fingers on the keys above it, as if I were going to play my 5-finger C scale. Then what I'll do is press down C, E, and G, all at the same time. This takes a lot of effort because you need to keep your fingers nice and curved. So then I played all those notes to make the C chord at the same time. C, E, and G. That makes a C chord. That's different from a C note, which is just that note by itself. A chord is more than one note played at a time, and we name the chord after what's called the root note, which in this case is C. To play the F chord, I'm going to keep the same idea, but now I'm going to slide my right hand up to the note F, and then I'll play what we call skips. So I'll play the A note and the C note all at the same time. So that's our F chord, F, A, and C. Then for the G chord, just slide that same shape up to G and play G, B, and D all at the same time. Once I can do C chord, fingers curved will make it easier, F chord, and G chord on my right hand, I'm going to try it on my left hand. I'll play C chord, F chord is F, A, C, and G chord is G, B, D. Now I'll do both hands. C chord is C, E, G, F chord is F, A, C, and G chord is G, B, D. Have fun practicing your C, F, and G chords on the piano, and I'll see you in your next lesson.